So welcome to the day 7. I'm really happy that you guys have been doing an incredible job and incredible work every single day during the BEAT program. We really hope that you guys saw some transformation in your body. If you are still lagging behind on any particular day, definitely you can just go back to that particular day and repeat. I would say that, all these exercises that we have done during the entire BEAT program, they are targeting your legs, your core, your upper body, your back, everything from head to toe. All these exercises should be done every single day. See if you can take out the time for yourself. These videos will exist on our channel, so you can definitely repeat the BEAT program again and again till the point where all these exercises become a part of your warm-up. That's the kind of level that we should be aiming for. So over a period of time, we can definitely get better. See if you can go back to day 1, repeat, and then day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Every day should be repeated ideally to see a good transformation in our body. So we are extremely grateful that you have practiced with us during the entire BEAT program, and you are following us on YouTube or maybe on Instagram or Facebook. So we are extremely grateful to know that. So there are 3 different ways through which you can support Bodsphere. So the first way is that you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So there is a red button in the section right below the video. So if you click on that, you will get the notifications right away. You can definitely become a part of our Patreon community also. So the Patreon community includes only exclusive content for our members. The session lasts for more than 45 minutes, 1 hour, 90 minutes. So you can definitely click on the link given in the description below, which will redirect you to our Patreon channel, where you will get the access for the exclusive content that we upload on Patreon. And the third way is that you can share the BEAT program with the people whom you know, so that they can also get better, they can also feel a lot healthier, happier. You can become a medium to transform others' lives also. So I'm really grateful that you took out the time during the entire BEAT program, and we'll continue uploading more content on our YouTube channel. A lot of content is lined up, so stay tuned and keep practicing yoga and fitness. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.